It is a season of love and I created this Valentine inspired shoot for y'all. Have fun watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to do the twist and drag updo. This hairstyle is a flawless hairstyle that can go for a traditional marriage and also a white wedding. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, like some of my other videos, and share them with your friends. And also for my existing subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to everyone. Thanks for sticking around. I love you all. So not boring you all or taking much of your time, I started by washing my model's hair and conditioning it. So now section out some parts I'll be leaving out, then I did my cornrows. So I'll be using the kinky straight extension from Darling. So it comes in 3 in a pack, so I'll be using the 3 of them to create this hairstyle. So I'll go over and sew the hair. Two leftovers from the first one and the second one, so I'm going to combine them together and then twist and drag. So now I'll be using that part to cover the bun on that side. Then after that I'm going to section out another part from the one we sectioned out earlier on top. Then I'll make it into 2 and then start taking it bit by bit. So now I'm going to take this one, comb it, and then twist it. So after twisting it, I'm going to pick out a little strands from it and then pull it. So after that, I'm going to drag and then place it down. Now I'm going to be repeating the same step until I am able to like cover the bun. So now guys, I'm going to be teasing the top. So I took out a little portion from the top. The main reason why I'm teasing is because I want volume on that side. I want it to be a bit high. So after teasing, I'm going to use my spray on it and then use my comb to comb on the surface. So when I'm doing this, I don't like to dig with the mascara. So after spraying it, I'm going to get my mascara and then apply a little and go over with my brush and then brush it.